Here we are discussing relation between current density and drift velocity. So for the current density is this J is equals to what? I by A. And drift velocity, so this is the drift velocity, it's what? It's a Vd. Okay. So generally for the what is current density means what? Current passing normal through the cross section of a conductor. So per current per cross sectional area we can say as current density. And drift velocity, so the drift velocity of electrons means in the presence of external electric field. External electric field means what? When potential difference is created, means when a battery is connected to the ends of a conductor. So whenever battery is connected to the ends of a conductor, potential difference is created. So potential difference is created means what? Electric field will be established. So in the presence of external electric field, the speed of electrons gets drifted. So that is called what you say? It's a drift velocity. Okay, I want to go for about this. It's a drift velocity. How can I find this? So first one, I'm choosing this is the conductor. Okay, so it's a cross section of a conductor. This is connected with the positive and negative terminals. So potential difference is created. It's a V. This is 0. It's a V. It's a V. Next one 0 and 0. Okay. So here freely moving electrons means the electrons just what? Usually you know this. Some electric field is created. Yes, electric field is created. And next one, the free electrons, they are moving towards here. So this constant velocity of these electrons we can say as a drift velocity. It's a Vd. Is a Vd. Yes. So just my intention is about I'm choosing about the two regions. Means what? For example, it has to move from this position, this portion to this portion to cross this portion in a time t is equals to 1 second. In 1 second. Okay. So distance traveled from here to here, distance is what? D I'm taking as this. Distance is equals to, distance traveled is equals to what? Velocity into time. It's what? Vd into 1. It means what? Vd. Yes. Now the condition, so to cross through this region, the distance traveled is what? It's a Vd. The time taken is what I have considered as a 1 second. And before this, first one I want to know about what is the number density. Okay. So number density of electrons. Yes. So number density of electrons. Number density is what? N. So you know this N is equals to total number of electrons per volume. Yes. So total number of electrons per volume means what? N by, it's a volume means area of cross section into its length. The length is what? D. So this I can say as this is N by, so A, and D is what? It's a Vd. It's a Vd. Yes. So this is number density. Number density is what? N is equals to capital N by A into Vd is my first condition. Yes. So just I subjected this. Now this is N is equals to small n A Vd is the total number of electrons. Number of electrons. Now I want to find about current. Yes. But current is equals to, it's what? I is equals to what? Okay. N into E by T. T must be what? 1 second. What is the answer? Ne. It's a Ne. N is what? Number, total number of electrons. E is the electron. Okay. E is the charge of electron. So this is I is equals to, N means what? You can substitute on this. N A V D E. Correct? Yes. So this is what? Vd stands for, it's a drift velocity. This is the current. Now I want to know about current density. Current density is so current density is what you say? It's a I by A. Okay. I by A. So this A bring down. This is what? I by A. I by A is equals to what? Vd. Okay. Vd N E. Okay. So this J is equals to Vd Ne is the current density. Yes.